Right, coming up in our latest release is an upgrade to our banner tool, which we've renamed to Cookie Banner. So under Settings and Cookie Banner, you'll find the same old settings you had for your previous banner with some additional options or enhancements that we've added to it for the latest release. So all you need to do is click Create if you want to create a new banner, or just select the banner that you've already got, and you'll see the new options that are available. Let's run through this quickly, and I'll show you what's new. First of all, the name, the privacy and the cookie policy is what I've named my particular banner. You can this is so you can identify this banner inside your list of cookie banners you've created. But bear in mind that you can only have one active at any one time. So you can have as many policies as you like, but only one of them will actually be working at any one time. And the second option here is where you specify which one is active. So in this case, I've only got one, and I've made this active. Disable click outside banner. If enabled, it prevents your customer from being able to interact with anything except the banner. The rest of the site will be kind of grayed out, and your banner will be the main focus. This is so that your customer has to accept your policy before then gaining access to your site. Logo, so is a new feature where we've added the facility for you to upload, or your customers upload their logos to this banner. And another cool feature is the ability to change the position. So we have three options: top of the page, center of the page, or bottom of the page, which used to be the only option and the default option in our CSS. So we now have the facility of positioning this where we like it. The text is the same as it's always been. It's it's either the content of your banner if you don't want to use the advanced options, or in this case, because I am using the advanced options with these new tabs, I'm just making it the header for this particular banner. And I skipped the acceptance text. This is where you're able to label the accept button or the submit button or the OK button or whatever it is you want the button to be called. You specify the label here. We also have the new facility of being able to change the colours of the content. So you can see that I've got the text here all in white, but you can change that to any colour you desire. The same for the background colour. I've used our Nettailer demo banner colour, but you can obviously manipulate that and change that to whatever you like. And the third icon here is actually, this is background colour, but it's actually for the breaking points, for the breaking lines. So the dividing lines underneath the header, and the dividing lines behind each of the tabs. And then we've got the link for the read button or the OK button or the more information button that we've got here. Obviously you don't have to have this active, but it's nice to have, so you can select either from a document or for a URL, specify what the URL is, or select the document that you want to make visible, and then again we get to specify what the link's name is, and with the option of opening in a new window, which is something you want to consider based on other settings that you might have enabled. Once we've set this up and click Save, we could potentially be done there if we just wanted to create a regular banner with a logo, or if we wanted to actually go ahead and use the more advanced options of creating these tabs, we use this section down here. And there's two options. You can either create a text section or just a simple URL section. You can have a URL included in the text section, but if you just literally want to have a link that goes off somewhere, then you can use that section instead. Inside the text section, you will have your option of giving your tab its header. So in this case, we've called this one Cookies. A text box for the information that you want to provide inside that tab to the right hand side. So let's click on Cookies. There's our cookie information. And then you've got the option of including a URL or a link inside this this section, as you can see I've done here. So you enable it if you want it enabled, you specify the link for the URL, you give the link a name, and the sort order is actually for this tab. It's actually not connected to the URL at all, but you do need to specify the order in which you want this tab to be displayed in. So I've got cookie policy set as the second tab.